Today guys, we're gonna play Please Donate. We're gonna find, I hope we get, yeah. Let's go now. Let's get a here. Bruh. Yes, wait guys. Let me edit this. We need this. Guys, please, I need this. My mom is kinda homeless. I don't want an odd reward. By the way, I'm Filipino. I'm eating. Don't worry about my account, it's weird. We're gonna be AFK. I know what I'm talking about. Hello. Let me finish my dinner. I'm eating. Oh my god. Anong kulay? Black? Ako na lang. Halfway done. Eteng, towel daw.
Tawel.
Anong kulay?
Tawel ano ba? Yung brown na black, yung kaninang saan nilagay, yung black ng black.
Alam ko yun. Alam ako. Bro, kala ko din. May nag-donate sa akin one. Kala ko din. Ano pa nga, mama? Good! Meron ka na!
Oh. Oh.
Nadiling ko eh. Pengit na.
Tawel.
Dita ko.
Mayaan nyo na naman yan ha.
Isa lang.
Ina nyo ah. Hindi na naman titigilan yan.
Sarapan kasi.
Hirap yung kausap.
Ouch.
May nakita ko yun. Hindi na titigilan.
Thanks for the one.
Mayaan nyo na naman eh.
It's a notes. Huh? Bibigyan ako ni Papa ng ganito pagkatapos pa ibigay Wow! Wow! It's just sweet.
Masarap din to.
I'm gonna belong here. Gonna eat strawberry chocolate oats. What the heck?
Meron naman.
It's a mix.
Sarap.
Sa bahay.
Kapag magsasalita. Let my Filipino accent go. Hey, hoy! Ako isang Pilipino.
Totoo naman yun.
Ay nga naman oh.
Kindness people. Philippines has the kindness people of the world. Huh?
Uy, yun na yung gagamba!
Ano saan? Sabayaan mo lang yan.
Pagdiin natin yan.
Kaya nga, ang sarap. Natikman ko. Nasang peanut butter. It's too long now. That's for all guys. Bye.